Hi, second grade. New week, new list. List 28. We are moving right along. So, follow me up here to the board. These are your rules for spelling this week on your list. So, I want to just review with you your base word or the root word. And I gave you an example. Cleanest would be clean because EST is our suffix, and you'll see that over here we're going to be working with suffix ER and EST this week. So I just wanted to remind you what a base or a root word, they refer to them as both, root or base, okay? So your ER suffix and EST, there's some rules we have to remember. Excuse me. When you're adding an ER, or when you add an ER, is when you're comparing two things. So my example is Paul is faster than Joe. We're comparing how fast Paul is running and how fast Joe is running. Paul is faster than Joe. Can you tell I miss you? I try to use your names. Okay, and then EST is we add when we are comparing more than two things or two people. So I wrote, she is the nicest girl in her class. So I'm comparing this girl to the whole class, and she's the nicest girl. Okay, just an example. That's not really true or pertains to our class. I just wanted to use you as an example. I just want to remind you when you are, for example, the word, get my marker here. And this is kind of, it goes with our lesson, but it's not pertinent to that. So our word flat is our word. But if something is flatter than this book, for example, because we have a short A sound followed by a consonant, we need to remember the rule to double that consonant when we're comparing. So we're going to make sure we add that other T and then ER. I'm just making sure you remember that. Sometimes there is no change to the base word before we're adding a suffix. For example, the word fast we used in this sentence. All we had to do was add an ER. We didn't have to change it. But sometimes the rule, depending on the way it's used in the sentence, it may change. For example, in flatter. Okay? That's pretty much it. You're going to be completing your normal workbook pages. That's 110, 111, 112, and 113. But they're all due Friday. So if you want to do one every day, however you do that, it's easiest for you. Okay? And then there'll probably be another extra assignment that you'll see on Jupiter. On your word sort, they want you to sort the pattern words. This is on page 110 by the base word. So I'm going to show it to you. And that's one reason I wanted to go over that with you, because you have to go, okay, so the first one says clean, and your spelling word is cleanest. So you see how cleanest would fit under clean, because it wants you to sort the pattern words by the base word. So your base word would be clean, and then clean with the suffix EST. Okay? So I hope this helps. It's just a short little video to introduce you to your words. Your list is up and ready to go on Spelling City, so you can get on there for extra practice. I hope that you're enjoying the fun games, and I sure do miss you, and I hope you're doing well. See you soon.